Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll share how you can order a Payoneer Mastercard. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. Log into your Payoneer account and click on Cards. Now, if you are ordering your card for the first time, you won't see these cards. Instead, you'll get a similar interface to order the virtual or physical card. Here you can view your shipping details. If the details are incorrect, you can update them in the profile settings. Click Next to review the details. Finally, click on Order Card. After the approval, they will ship the card to your address. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.